Hello, I'm going to review InvestingPro. Is it worth it? So InvestingPro is a premium research and analytics platform for investing.com, offering a powered stock picks, advanced metrics, custom charts, fair value models, and institutional grade data across global markets. Pros, it provides comprehensive fundamental analysis tools, hedge fund level financial data, AI-driven pro picks, and a clean, ad-free interface. Trades valued by users learning the market. Cons, however, it suffers from outdated or inconsistent data, aggressively intrusive marketing calls, buggy app features, poor customer support, and in many cases fails to justify its subscription cost, particularly when compared to free tools or simpler setups. In conclusion, Investing Pro may be worth trying if you want advanced, curated stock analysis and are comfortable with paid tools, but most casual investors will find better value using free or lower cost alternatives combined with solid research practices.